Did you know there are 15,000 known varieties of tomatoes? Hi, I'm Stephanie, head grower for Frost Farms, and today we'll be talking about 3 popular varieties that we offer here. Starting with the cherry tomato. It's a garden staple because it grows fast and it's easy to harvest. At Frost Farms, we have cherry, sun gold, and my favorite, black cherry, which is more of a dark purple but tastes just the same. The flowers here are where your fruit is going to form. Next, we have slicing tomatoes. They are much larger, which means you need to have patience while they grow. Here at Frost Farms, we have Bush Early Girl, Moon Glow, and Big Brandy. To ensure a healthy harvest, you will need to take out any yellowing leaves and to pinch out these suckers. These guys will rob the energy your plant really needs. Next, we have heirloom and some cooking tomatoes. Both are known for their intense flavors. At Frost Farms, we have heirlooms like Genuine. For cooking tomatoes, we have Marinara and Viva Italia. Be prepared, your tomato plants are gonna grow tall. You'll need some stakes or a cage like this one. And don't forget your fertilizer. This is gonna promote healthy growth and prevent bottom end rot, which is a calcium deficiency that will sadly ruin your fruit. Some things to remember: don't overwater because your fruit will split, and tomatoes need full sun. Find your plant passion here in Town Hill or online anytime at frostfarmsmdi.com. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.